Sweet, tangy, savory chicken dish
Stick around to find out the secret ingredient.
that will blow your mind away. Welcome to Spice Life. In this channel, I'll show you how to make the most delicious food you'll ever taste. And you don't have to be a trained chef to eat well. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about why this dish is so special. It's from my home country of Bangladesh. It's a traditional Bengali dish for special occasion like a wedding. There are a lot of recipes out there for this specific dish, but there are none like it. I've tried a lot and I'm telling you, this is perfection. All those recipes try to complicate things with so many spices, so many ingredients. From here, there, you're thinking thousands of spices.
You're just going, oh.
It's crazy, right? Well, I'm gonna keep this recipe super simple, super easy, with the secret ingredient that I'll show you later on. The only thing we need to chop up is this onion, and that's it. Because we have everything in paste form. To do is slice up our onion. And you don't want them too thin because we're going to saute them. When the onion caramelizes in the gravy, it gives a beautiful sweet and a little bit of smoky flavor. Thai chili peppers that are just going to slit. And you want that nice contrast between sweet and spicy. This isn't going to make it really spicy. So even if you don't like any spicy food, I recommend adding some form of spicy pepper because it just gives it that nice contrast and flavor. Let's marinate the chicken. So all we're gonna need is some cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more paprika for the color because we don't wanna add too much cayenne. I'm using sea salt here, which is a little stronger. Of course, always add salt to taste. Half of a lemon. Mix all the spices into the chicken. Alright guys, now that we have our chicken marinating for about 10 to 15 minutes, we're gonna get started because you don't want to put a whole chicken from the fridge right on the pan. It'll burn instantly. We're gonna get our pan up to a medium heat. We're gonna layer the pan with even amount of oil. And then we're going to fry this chicken for about 2 minutes on each side. Gently place them in. Flip the chicken and you get that nice char. Okay, now that the chicken is done, we're gonna put it in a separate bowl. To the pan, we're gonna adding 3 medium-sized bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 4 cardamom pods. Split Thai chilies. Saute the onions. The onions for about 3 to 4 minutes until it welts a little bit. So
a little help, please.
If you aren't coughing by now, you're doing something wrong because that pepper just kill you. To make that gravy, we have onion paste, Greek yogurt, garlic and ginger paste, and 2 tablespoons of almond paste, half cup of heavy cream. Half cup of onion paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger. Saute that for about 2 minutes. Half cup of Greek yogurt, and it's plain Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons of almond paste. And we're just gonna stir that in. Bits and pieces from the bottom of the pan will come off. Add 3/4 cup of water. We're going to squeeze in some lemon juice. We're going to pour in our heavy cream. I'm going to mix that in. Now our secret ingredient is ketchup. Ketchup isn't traditionally used in Bengali cooking, but today we're going to use that because it has a nice tangy and a little bit sweet flavor. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We're gonna layer in our chicken into the pan. Let the gravy soak into the chicken. All we need to do, put a lid on, simmer for 12 minutes. 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar just to bring back that sweetness. Always taste the gravy to adjust anything you need. Salt, sugar. I just add a little bit of brown sugar just to bring back that sweetness. It's perfect. Guys, I don't know what to say. That's so good. Tangy Savory Chicken dish is a traditional Bengali dish usually cooked during a special occasion like weddings. And there is a reason why this dish is so special. You can really taste the savoriness, the sweetness, the tanginess coming from the ketchup. And this is perfection in a bowl. I'm not kidding, guys. This is a must-try dish, and I guarantee you'll love it.